We have to take care of life even if ultimately it will go away. That is one of the ethical issues that I have seen in my practice. Thank you.
I'm not in favor in abortion because life is gift from God and we must take care of life. We can't take that easily, so we must respect life. That's why I can't. In vitro fertilization, I am not agree in doctor's opinion because there could be complication and uh, I mean abnormalities in the child. It is possible that there could be possibilities that the mother will be in danger.
Represents. In this principle, we must do things for the benefits of others. So meaning to say, lahat ng ginagawa niyo dapat, especially sa mga pasyente, kailangan meron silang makukuha. O yung gagawin mo, mas makakabuti sa kanila. Kasi violation in this principle nangyayari kung lalo napapasama yung ano ng pasyente, yung condition ng pasyente. So, we must be aware of this principle, beneficence.
In this principle, we must not do things to harm to others. Wala naman siguro na gustong mapasama ang isang tao.
Destroy the standard reproduction system and to create new life. The morality of this cloning destroy the standard of reproduction and its morality to create new specific person and maybe caused by illness to a person built by this cloning. So, to respect a person, everything we must do to a person is to consider life at first. That was your cloning.
My opinion about double effect. Double effect is something that we need to think of very carefully. Like for example, in ectopic pregnancy, the child or the embryo develops at the oviduct of the mother's womb, which will be very risky for the mother's life. Also need to choose the life of the one. That's the mother's life. There's no more questioning about that. I'm in favor in double effect if the greater good will be dominating than the negative. That's the nature of double effect. It has two faces, which is more important is we choose the good effect than the negative.
On stewardship, with Doctora's opinion on stewardship, I agree with Doctora on most of her opinion. But with IUD, I am against her opinion on IUD because stewardship, with Doctora's opinion on that issue or principle, most of it, I agree on most of her opinion, except for IUD because some people doesn't know how to take care of their children. Some people doesn't know anything or cannot take care of their children financially or even morally. They even put to work their children at a very young age. That's why with IUD, why not? But I'm not going to push IUD on people because those types of issue are meant to be discussed with couples or over couples, not through other people's opinion for that. And with sterilization, which includes tubal ligation and vasectomy, my opinion would go with that. And in addition to that, the Philippines is overpopulated, and some areas or countries in the world as well. With Truval ligation and vasectomy, which is under sterilization, my opinion goes with that as well, on that topic. With stem cell research, debate in the U.S. right now because some people like Christopher Reeves, before he died, was depending on that research because there are parts in the body or cells in the body that cannot regenerate, and the only way that they can find is or they can find hope for those cells to regenerate is with stem cell research. But unfortunately, they can acquire unless they can acquire their materials or the materials needed without harming any unborn babies or fetuses, then just like Dr. Hugo said, why not? Why not? So I agree with Doctora's opinion on stem cell research.
After hearing the opinions of an actual physician and our fellow classmates on recent ethical issues, we can identify that there were some similarities and differences in the points of view. Differences in these opinions are encountered on the topics of in vitro fertilizations, stem cell research, the use of intrauterine device, and the donation of egg and sperm cell for genetic manipulation. This is expected kasi in these topics kasi they tackle certain advancements in the field of science. No? So, yung mga tao hindi pa masyadong aware on the topic. Differences in the opinions are encountered dun sa topics na about stem cell research, the use of intrauterine device, in vitro fertilization, tapos in the donation of egg and sperm cell for genetic manipulation. Medyo expected siya kasi in these topics, they tackle certain advancements in the field of science na yung ibang tao hindi pa masyadong aware, tapos hindi pa nila alam yung actual complete procedures of these methods, tapos the consequences ng pag-undergo ng mga methods na to. So, these opinions are encountered on the topics of in vitro fertilization,